Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the vocabulary related to war, okay? And we're gonna go straight. So this one is a video more on some broader terms, less technical terms that have something to do with war, okay? So we'll title this Guerra, concetti e idee, concepts and ideas. Number one, vocabulary that relates to motivi, reasons, okay? So you have causa, cause, motivo, same thing, reason, cause. Conflicto, conflicto. Conflicto could be just a conflict, okay? You could have a conflict with anybody, okay? Without the need to escalate to a war, okay? But you could talk about conflicto. You could also talk about the conflitto di interesse, okay? And ideologia, ideology. You could talk about valori, values. So you'll have here coraggio, courage, braveness, onore, honor, lealtà, loyalty, patriottismo, patriottismo, that is the feeling of doing something for your country, okay, for your patria, homeland, libertà, freedom, and of course, pace, peace. You could talk about strategia, strategy, and in that case, you can use words like tattica, tactical, okay? The tactics, okay, of something. Piano, plan. Strategia, strategy. Alleanza, alliance, okay? And the country or the person that you would consider your ally is called alleato. And finally, we're going to talk about neutralità, neutrality. Think about Switzerland, okay? Lastly, I want to do some expressions that have to do with war. So we have expression number one, dichiarare guerra. We say to declare war. Dichiarare guerra. Cessare il fuoco, ceasefire, okay? Cessare il fuoco, ceasefire. Tregua, truce. Trattare, especially you'll have trattato di pace, okay? That's a peace treaty, okay? Trattato di pace. Vittime civili, okay? That is civilians, civilians who have fallen victims. Vittime civili. And vincere, to win, vincere una battaglia. Last caveat, careful with the verb vincere, because it's pretty much a regular verb, but its past participle, it's not. It's gonna be vinto, okay? Io ho vinto, for instance, la partita, the game. Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful and useful. With that being said, you could go ahead, subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you want to. Past here your own sentences. Please keep up the good work, and we'll catch up soon in a new episode. Ciao!